Hi, I'm Caitlin Bailey, and I'm a design engineer here at Carbon. Today I'll be walking you through generating a single zone lattice in the design engine. With our primitive loaded in the design engine, we are ready to apply a single zone lattice. On the left-hand side, you can select your lattice type. You can see here that there are 5 to choose from. So for this project, I will be selecting the Voronoi lattice. After selecting the lattice type, we can now specify the cell size. For this project, I will be selecting 4.5 millimeters as my cell size, which is based on the minimum feature in my model. As an option, you may specify a minimum cell size if you want even finer features to be filled by the design engine. Next, you select your strut diameter. A good rule of thumb is for the strut diameter to be between 10 and 30% of the cell size. For this model, I'm going to choose 1 millimeter. After specifying these 3 values, lattice type, cell size, and strut diameter, you can hit generate in order to see your result.